1. The truth about carbs after 50. It seems like everyone has a different opinion about carbs. You've probably heard it over and over again. Cut carbs after 50. This advice is plastered across books, social media, and even doctors' offices. But is it the right advice? Is eliminating carbs the key to aging well, losing weight, and staying healthy as you get older? Before you make any drastic changes to your diet, it's important to step back and take a good look at the facts. The truth is, cutting carbs might not be as beneficial as it sounds, especially for those of us who are over 50. In fact, cutting carbs too drastically could actually harm your health in the long run. So why is there so much debate about carbs in the first place? Are they really as bad as they're made out to be? Or is there more to the story that needs to be uncovered? In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the relationship between carbs and aging. You'll discover why carbs are still essential for your body after 50, and why cutting them out completely might be the worst thing you can do. 2. Why carbs are still important after 50. As we grow older, our bodies go through changes. These changes often mean we need to rethink our diet and lifestyle. Our metabolism slows down, we may lose muscle mass, and our bodies begin to process food differently. These changes can affect our energy levels, our ability to maintain a healthy weight, and even our cognitive function. As we hit 50 and beyond, these shifts become more noticeable. Carbohydrates are one of the main macronutrients that our bodies rely on for energy. Despite what you may have heard, carbs are still essential, especially after the age of 50. Let's start by addressing one of the biggest myths surrounding carbs, that they cause weight gain, especially as we age. It's true that eating too many processed carbs, like sugary snacks or white bread, can lead to weight gain and other health problems, but that's not the whole picture. The right kind of carbs can actually help you maintain your health and well-being as you age. Carbs are primarily responsible for providing glucose, which is used as the body's main energy source. Your body needs glucose to function properly, and this is especially important as we get older. With a slower metabolism, it becomes even more important to ensure you're giving your body the fuel it needs to stay active and healthy. Carbs also support brain function, help maintain muscle mass, and keep your heart healthy. As we age, our digestive system also changes, and fiber becomes increasingly important. Many carb-rich foods, especially those that are unrefined, are also packed with fiber. Fiber is crucial for maintaining a healthy digestive system, preventing constipation and lowering cholesterol levels. Additionally, fiber helps regulate blood sugar levels, making it an essential nutrient for those at risk of developing type 2 diabetes. So, don't fear carbs. The key is not to eliminate them, but to choose the right kinds. Whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes are all excellent sources of healthy carbohydrates that support your energy, digestion, and overall health. 3. The risks of cutting carbs too much. When people talk about cutting carbs, it's often in the context of popular diets like keto or Atkins. These diets claim that by drastically reducing carbohydrate intake, you can lose weight quickly and improve your overall health. But what's the truth behind these claims, especially for older adults? Is cutting carbs really the secret to longevity, or could it be doing more harm than good? The problem with cutting carbs too much is that it can lead to a variety of health risks, especially as we age. First and foremost, drastically reducing carbs can lead to nutrient deficiencies. Carbohydrate-rich foods, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes, are packed with important vitamins, minerals, and fiber. These nutrients are essential for maintaining good health, particularly as we age. By cutting out too many carbs, you may be cutting yourself off from vital nutrients that your body needs to stay healthy. For example, when you cut out whole grains, you also lose out on important nutrients like magnesium, potassium, and B vitamins. These nutrients are essential for heart health, muscle function, and maintaining stable energy levels throughout the day. Without enough fiber, your digestive system could suffer, leading to problems like constipation, bloating, or even more serious issues like irritable bowel syndrome. Additionally, reducing carb intake too drastically can affect your mental and physical energy. Carbs are the body's primary source of glucose, which is needed for proper brain function. Cutting carbs can leave you feeling sluggish, tired, and unfocused. If you've ever tried a low-carb diet, you may have noticed brain fog or difficulty concentrating. These are common side effects of depriving your body of its primary energy source. Moreover, cutting carbs can cause your blood sugar levels to drop too low, leading to feelings of dizziness, irritability, and fatigue. For older adults, this can be particularly dangerous, as unstable blood sugar levels can increase the risk of falls and accidents. In short, cutting carbs too much can have serious consequences for both your physical and mental health. 4. Choosing the right carbs for better health. The key to maintaining a healthy diet as you age isn't about cutting carbs. It's about choosing the right carbs. Not all carbohydrates are created equal. The carbs found in processed foods, such as white bread, sugary snacks, and soda, are what we need to limit. However, there are plenty of healthy, whole food sources of carbs that can provide essential nutrients without causing harm to your body. When thinking about healthy carbs, focus on whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes. These carbs are not only nutrient-dense, but they are also rich in fiber, which helps maintain good digestive health and regulate blood sugar. Whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, oats, and barley are excellent sources of complex carbohydrates. They are digested slowly, providing a steady release of energy throughout the day. Fruits and vegetables are another excellent source of healthy carbs. They are rich in vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber, all of which help to support your immune system, protect your cells from damage, and keep your body functioning optimally. Some of the best fruits and vegetables to incorporate into your diet include berries, apples, oranges, spinach, broccoli, and sweet potatoes. These foods are low in calories but high in nutritional value, making them perfect for maintaining a healthy weight and overall health. Legumes, such as beans, lentils, and peas, are also excellent sources of healthy carbs. They are packed with fiber and plant-based protein, making them an ideal addition to any meal. Legumes are also great for regulating blood sugar levels, which is particularly important for older adults. Adding more legumes to your diet can help you maintain stable energy levels and keep your digestive system running smoothly. By focusing on these high-quality carb sources, you can fuel your body with the nutrients and energy it needs to stay strong and healthy as you age. 5. Maintaining a balanced diet is key when it comes to healthy aging. Balance is the key. It's not about cutting out one specific food group. It's about ensuring that your diet contains a healthy balance of all three macronutrients: carbs, protein, and fats. While carbs are essential, so too are protein and healthy fats. All three play unique and important roles in supporting your health as you age. Protein is vital for maintaining muscle mass, which tends to decline with age. Consuming enough protein is important to prevent muscle loss, maintain strength, and support recovery after physical activity. Good sources of protein include lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, tofu, and legumes. Healthy fats, such as those found in avocados, olive oil, nuts, and seeds, are also essential for overall health. They support heart health, brain function, and hormone balance, and they help you absorb essential vitamins like A, D, E, and K. By incorporating a variety of healthy fats into your diet, you'll give your body the tools it needs to thrive. A balanced diet also includes plenty of fruits and vegetables, which provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Aim to fill half your plate with fruits and vegetables at every meal to ensure you're getting the nutrients your body needs. It's also important to stay hydrated and to incorporate physical activity into your routine. Regular exercise helps support your metabolism, maintain muscle mass, and boost your mood. Together with a balanced diet, physical activity is key to aging well. 6. Conclusion and final advice. In conclusion, the idea of cutting carbs after 50 is not the magic solution it's made out to be. While reducing the intake of processed carbs and sugars is a smart move, eliminating all carbs from your diet can be detrimental to your health. Instead, focus on choosing the right carbs, whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes that provide essential nutrients and energy for your body. By maintaining a balanced diet, incorporating a variety of macronutrients, and staying active, you'll give yourself the best chance of staying healthy, vibrant, and energetic well into your golden years. Remember, aging doesn't mean depriving yourself. It's about making informed choices that support your long-term health. Before making any drastic changes to your diet, consult with your doctor or a nutritionist to ensure you're making choices that are right for your body. But one thing is clear: carbs, when chosen wisely, can be your ally in aging gracefully and maintaining your health after 50. So, embrace the truth and let carbs be your friend. Just make sure you're choosing the right ones.